students, today we'll start with chapter 3 of book Hornbill. Welcome to TSN English class. The name of the chapter is Discovering Tut. The saga continues, written by A.R. Williams. He was just a teenager when he died, the last heir of a powerful family that had ruled Egypt and its empire for centuries. He was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. Here in these lines, the writer is talking about the king, and here discovering Tut means the name of the king, and the saga continues means the tradition continues, or the tradition is still ongoing. So here is a king. He died in his teenage, or in a age of he is of not more of age, he is in his teen age when he died, the last heir of a powerful family. So he belongs from a very powerful family of Misr or Egypt. So here is he is the last उत्तराधिकारी था वो अपने Egypt का last, and its empire for centuries, and for centuries he can rule his empire. He was laid to rest laden with gold and eventually forgotten. When he died, so his community or the people of Egypt buried him with lots of gold, or his body is covered with laden means covered with gold and eventually forgotten. And after some time, or when the time passes by, he is forgotten by people. Since the discovery of his tomb in 1922, the modern world has speculated about what happened to him. When in 1922 archaeologists discovered his tomb, people wanted to know more about him. They are very curious about him, so that how he has been, or how he had been murdered, or is there any possibility of murder. Now, leaving his tomb for the first time in almost 80 years, Tut has undergone a CT scan that offers new clue about his life and death and provide precise data for an accurate forensics reconstruction of the boy's pharaoh. In these lines, for the first time in almost 80 years, means after 1922, after 80 years, his body has been his body is leaving the tomb, and उसके टोम से, उसके मकबरे से उसे निकाल कर सिटी स्कैन प्रोसेस से उसकी बॉडी जाने वाली थी, सो दैट पीपल क्लू or want to know more, they can know about the clues of his life and death, that how he lives his life or how he dies, and provide precise data for an accurate forensic reconstruction of boy's pharaoh, so that they know more about his and the accuracy of his death. And through the forensic reports and science, we know more about this boy Tut. An angry wind stirred up ghostly dust devil as King Tut was taken from his resting place in the ancient Egypt cemetery known as the Valley of King. When Tut body has been taken out from his cemetery, जब उसकी body को निकाला जा रहा था, the wind blows in a very ghostly way. So हवाएं जो हैं, they behave like, or the winds behave like that there is a ghost in the winds and there is a devil in the winds as King Tut was taken from his resting place. जब उसे कब्रिस्तान से उसकी बॉडी को निकाला जा रहा था, at that time. And these lines the writer is talking about. In the ancient Egypt, cemetery is known as the Valley of King, और ancient Egypt में उसकी cemetery को कहा जाता था Valley of Kings में स्थित थी. तो वहाँ से उसे that the body had been taken out from there only. Dark pallid cloud has skirted across the desert sky all day and now were veiling the stars in cascade grey. The whole valley, the whole area where his cemetery is located, पूरा area dark color के cloud से covered हो गया था and scudded across grey, and it looked like that all the area of desert is full with the black clouds. और जैसे उसका कफन जो है वो and his cascade और his जो बादल हैं वो या stars हैं, all the stars are covered with clouds. Veiling the stars means the stars are covered with clouds. Black clouds covered the stars. It was 6 p.m. on 5th January 2005. The world's most famous mummy glided head first into city scanner. 5th January 2005 को शाम को 6 बजे द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट, पूरी वर्ल्ड की सबसे फेमस ममी ग्लाइडेड हेड द फर्स्ट इनटू सिटी स्कैन. हिज बॉडी इज कवर्ड विद गोल्ड, fully covered with gold, and that body goes into the CT scanner. And which body part is first goes into the CT scanner? That is his head. Here to probe the lingering medical mysteries. And now after the CT scan process, so many medical mysteries, बहुत सारी medical mystery या बहुत सारे रहस्य खुलने वाले थे of this little understood young ruler. और ये जो little जो टीन एज यंग रूलर था टट, who died more than 3,300 years ago, जिसे मरे हुए 3,300 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए थे. All afternoon the usual line of tourists from around the world has descended into the cramped, and on that afternoon the tourist people who wants to know more about that, they are standing in one line, and that line is cramped, means the line is narrow, and they are standing like that they want to know more, or they are very curious about his tomb. Rock cut tomb some 26 feet underground to pay their respect. और उस रॉक को कट करके टोम को 26 feet underground से people are paying their respect. They gazed at the murals on the walls of the burial chamber and peered at that glided face. When people are looking, gazed means when people look at the walls of that burial chamber, जब उसकी जहाँ उसे गाड़ा गया था उस chamber की wall पर जब लोग they are looking over there, then they see the what kind of pictures or what kind of things are written over there, or they are drawing over there, and peered at that glided face. And people are all looking at that glided face, which is covered with gold. His face is actually full of covered with gold. The most striking feature of his mummy-shaped outer coffin lid some visited. So the most striking, the most shocking feature of this mummy is कि जो उसका कॉफिन लिड था, लिड मीन्स ढक्कन, कॉफिन का जो ढक्कन या जो उसका जो कवर था, दैट कवर इज ऑल्सो of the same shaped of the mummy. So mummy and coffin lid both are of same in shape. Some visitor read from guided book in a whisper, and some visitors or some tourists, they are reading the guided books and they are whispering and making whispering or some low sound from their mouth and talking to each other. Others stood silently, and some of them were stood silently over there, perhaps pondering Tut's untimely death in his late teens. It might have possible that those people who are standing silently over there, they try to know about his death, that how his untimely death, because he died in his late teens, so they are thinking about those days, or wondering with a shiver if Pharaoh curse, and these people are wondering that if the Pharaoh curse, अगर Pharaoh ने उन्हें curse कर दिया, then what will happen? And people are wondering about the अनटाइमली डेथ। लोग सोच रहे थे कि किस तरह उसकी जो असमय डेथ हो गई थी उस डेथ के बारे में। एंड आफ्टर thinking about all these things, people are shivering. So Pharaoh curse, and Pharaoh might have some persons are there in ancient times who are very impactful. So Pharaoh is those kind of persons who giving curse to those people who disturb them. So some people, if some people disturb these kinds of Pharaoh, they are giving some curses to them, like death of misfortune or for their bad lucks or something like that. Was really true. So people are thinking about that all these things are true or not. The mummy is in very bad condition because of what Carter did in 1920s, said Zahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt, Supreme Council of Antiquities, as he leaned over the body for long first look. The mummy. We are talking about that mummy. So his condition of that body or his mummy is very bad because of what Carter did in 1920s. Now he is talking about the person Carter, and in 1920 Zahid Hawass ने ये बातें कही हैं, who is the Secretary General of Egypt, Supreme Council of Antiquities, as he leaned over the body for a long first look. और उसने ये बताया कि फर्स्ट टाइम जब वो झुका बॉडी को देखने के लिए, लीन्ड मीन्स व्हेन ही बेंट हिज बॉडी डाउनवर्ड्स, देन व्हाट हैपन, कार्टर, हॉवर्ड कार्टर, दैट इज व्हाट was the British archaeologist who in 1920 discovered. तो कार्टर हॉवर्ड कार्टर जो एक ब्रिटिश आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट हैं जिन्होंने 1922 में डिस्कवर किया दैट टट टोम्ब आफ्टर ईयर्स ऑफ विटाइल सर्चिंग, कि आफ्टर so much of searching they'll get to know about his term. And sometimes they are searching and their searching is waste. व्यर्थ की खोजबीन के बाद उनको 1922 में उनको ये कब्र मिली थी, which belongs to Tut. It contents through hastily ransacked in antiquity were surprisingly complete. इसकी जो कोई भी कंटेंट्स या जो कुछ भी इसके साथ का जो कुछ भी सामान या जो कुछ भी सामग्री उन्हें मिली थी, ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिलोंग्स टू द एंशिएंट टाइम. एंड हेस्टिली मीन्स जल्दबाजी में रैंसैक्ड इन एंटिक्विटी वॉज सरप्राइजिंगली कंप्लीट. ये जो भी सामग्री, जो कंटेंट्स मिले थे तट की tomb से, all these were some kind of robbed in that time, but still they are surprisingly complete. When they remain the richest royal collection ever found and have become part of Pharaoh legend. And now all these matter or contents, they are the most impactful, or they are the most belongs to the most richest royal collection, because this is like the शाही संग्रह जो है, इसको माना गया है शाही संग्रह. रॉयल कलेक्शन इज काइंड ऑफ शाही संग्रह एंड हैव बिकेम पार्ट ऑफ फरोज लेजेंड. एंड फरो की पारंपरिक कथा का इसको पार्ट माना गया है. दिस इज द थिंग. नेक्स्ट इज became part of Pharaoh's legend, stunning artifacts in gold, because there are some stunning artifacts which are on this making of means some artifacts which are made of gold are on this mummy. Their eternal brilliance meant to guarantee resurrection. और इनका जो एटर्नल जो ब्यूटी, जो गोल्ड की जो ब्यूटी है और जो इसका ब्रिलियंस है, दैट गारंटीज कि जैसे ये रिसरेक्शन मीन्स जैसे ये पुनर्जीवित हो जाएंगी. कॉज्ड सेंसेशन at the time of discovery. And in 1922 when archaeologists discovered this tomb of Tut, this made sensation in the whole world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में this made a sensation. हलचल kind of हो जाएगी. This is all about.